Emotional manipulation in the game of power. Most people have been targets of emotional manipulation at some point in their lives. Here are the most common techniques often used by narcissists to win the game of power. 1. The guilt trip. The guilt trip is all about making someone feel worse about their actions or lack of actions. For example, by labeling someone as unhelpful, it raises the target's concern about their reputation. If someone gains a reputation as unhelpful, it weakens that person's power. Making amends then becomes a way to salvage the threat of a tarnished reputation. The guilt tripper persuades the target about the gravity of their error, such as saying, "This and that person also think you are unhelpful." Deception can also be used, such as fabricating or exaggerating the impact of an unintentional injury the target caused to someone else. Additionally, if the guilt tripper has the power to remedy the target's problem, the target is likely to become submissive to the guilt tripper's demands. The guilt tripper's ability to help the target save face then increases with the imagined error. Intimidation. Provoking fear, especially if violence is implied, can lead to changes in the target's behavior to save themselves. Moralism and authoritarianism can also be forms of intimidation. 2. Seduction. Seduction manipulates the target by presenting them with something desirable and withholding it until they perform a desired action. This typically involves promises of pleasure of some sort or material gain. When you can pinpoint what a person is lacking in their life, what they long for, you can use that to your advantage by a promise of filling that void for them. 3. Minimization. Minimization aims to reduce someone's perspective on an issue or error, to downplay the significance of the problem, like saying that a taunt or insult was only a joke to make you feel embarrassed. 5. Blaming. Blaming involves shifting the blame for an error onto someone else to protect the reputation of the blamer. It can also be seen as a defense mechanism, an unconscious process that shields the finger pointer and blame shifter from experiencing unpleasant feelings, such as guilt or shame. Emotional manipulation comes in many forms, and it's not necessary to memorize them all. By understanding these manipulation techniques, you can better analyze and respond to them when they arise. If you found this information informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay aware, stay informed, and stay in control. Thanks for watching.